Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of resolution on the application of Reddit. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Reddit and you will click here. In this page of app on 4 you will click on full stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Reddit. If you find updates, then you will update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your